Alright, so today I'm going to show you how I make my bulletproof coffee. Cool. Sometimes we use the Kerrygold Irish Spring butter. Some days I like it, some days I like this. I want to use this because I get a little creamier consistency. I'm just like the frothiness. So yesterday I used the ghee, today I use the butter. This is what I use. Bulletproof grain octane. You can just follow the instruction. That's the amount you want for this morning. You can use 2 sometimes, 2 tablespoons. Collagen, 2 scoops per serving. You can use 1 if you want, but me want more protein, so I use 2. And true, me want a little bit of cinnamon in mine. Get some cinnamon. This shit gonna be low. Need a new one. Boom. Ready to sippy sip.